Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming the file type and player compatibility because many errors come from missing codecs. Open the problematic file with a robust player like VLC. If it plays, the issue is your default player. If it still fails, check file size and download source to rule out corruption. Once done, update the player and system codecs, then retry. Make sure to note any error message text. That will guide the next step and save time when searching for a fix. Next, diagnose why playback fails by inspecting codecs and file integrity. You should run media info to see audio and video codecs. Missing codecs cause the cannot play error. Try the file on another device to separate file issues from your machine. If codecs look okay, disable hardware acceleration and reset direct show or filter settings because corrupted filters often block playback. Once you isolate the cause, either install the specific codec, use a universal codec pack carefully, or switch to a player that bundles common codecs. To finish, convert or rewrap the file into a widely supported container. Use Handbrake or FFmpeg to transcode to H.264/awk in an MP4 because that resolves most compatibility issues. If the file is slightly corrupted, let VLC try its built-in repair or use a dedicated repair tool. Once fixed, set your preferred player as default and validate by opening several files. Troubleshooting tip: if you still see errors, note the exact message and test the file on a fresh OS profile or another machine to isolate persistent corruption.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.